Hello, in this video I will show you how to view the information recorded by Muse Headband with a professional software Brainstorm. To realize this view, we must make some steps. First, we need to install an application, mouse monitor, on our phone device and read technical manual to learn how to use it and of course how to record data on CSV file and export to our Windows platform. Next step is to record our data and send them to our computer. We save the file on our folder and we open it with our Excel. Here you will see a lot of data and some of the lines are empty, and in the last column we have some comments. That comments let us know that line are artifacts, records, and we must remove them. To do that, first we filter data, we select artifacts and we remove them. Also we remove the filter, and now we have a clear data. We save the file in same folder. We select CSV, delimited type and put this name. Press save, and this will be the file that we'll use in the next step. We open MATLAB and we'll navigate to the folder we have the file saved. After we going in this folder, in a command line we introduce the next command. With this function we create a test prim variable with command CSV read. Here we have the name of our file and some parameters, where one is the line 1, 0, 1. 9 is the 9 column 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 734 represents the final line here, and the 12 number represents the last column from our selection. With this function, we extract the data that we need. In this case, we select alpha waves provided by Muse sensor TP9, F7, F8 and TP10. We are going MATLAB, and here we press enter. Our data is extract in this variable. Double click and open the variable, and now we check if we import correct data from our CSV file. 1.06 to 0.92, and down here. So we imported correct data. Next step is to save our data. Right click on our variable, save as, and we put the name and save in our CSV folder. Save. And now we have our data saved in this file. Next step is to go on Google, press Brainstorm MATLAB import. This is the official Brainstorm software page. We go on a download page. We must register, and here we read installation instruction and download the Brainstorm software and sample epilepsy zip that contain brain atlas. After we install the software and the atlas, we go on MATLAB and launch the program. And press enter. This is the main page of Brainstorm. We go into File, we select New Protocol, and here we name our project First Try. And create. Here we right click on default anatomy, import. Here we press right click on default anatomy, import anatomy folder. We go to the folder where install Atlas sample epilepsy, press anatomy, and now open. Yes, okay, and now we install. Okay. In this page we must make some settings to set 6 fiducials, and for that we press here, click here to compute MNI transformation. Yes. After a couple of seconds that fiducials are set, and these three we must set them manually. We press here and we enter the value. And after that we press save. And application import the atlas of the Brainstorm. This will take 1-2 minutes. After the atlas are imported, the application shows us this window where we can rotate the brain. On what position do you want? Okay, we close this window. We go in here on the second icon and right click here. We select the file that we created, but attention to have here select the type of file with math extension. Okay. Open. Here, right click, edit channel file, and on the column name we enter our sensors. After we enter the name of the sensor, we select this file that represents the position of all sensors. Here we must select this option and open. Okay. And now on a column lock we have a position of each sensor. You can introduce them manually with this value for first sensor, second sensor, third sensor, and fourth sensor. I will provide you the file on YouTube. After we check this position, close the file. Next step is to go on first icon and move our atlas file from default anatomy to the new subject. We will do that manually. I will recommend you to put this atlas on set as default cortex. Now we'll go on second icon, and here we press compute head model. I recommend you to choose a lower value . And now in this window I recommend you these settings. Okay, and that will take a couple of minutes. Okay, we finish. Go here, right click, okay, next step is here we'll see the shape of our sensors. The data from sensor TP9, AF7, AF8 and TP10. And now we see the cortex. Put in position what we want. Right click. We want to see the channels. Yes. Click on this window and we navigate with the mouse where you want, or with right or left arrow from keyboard. And we see the image. On main page of Brainstorm, we have 4 tabs: record, filter, surface and scout. And from surface we have different options: transparency, smooth, and other options: amplitude, minimum size, transparency. You can rotate the brain on what position do you want. You can see the left lobe, the right one, and the value or structure. Here on F8 we have on frontal lobe some activity. Okay, and you can see another display. Here and this is another view. Thank you very much.